Hi everyone, I hope you all must be fine, happy, and healthy, and you all must be enjoying your life to the fullest. Now, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna talk about one of the things that we need to do in Excel when the values are sitting in different sheets. Now, there is a good and there is not so good way to do this. Let's first have a look at what is not correct way to do this. You can have a look at my sheet. I have sales 2015 tab, I have sales 2016 tab, and I need to create a sales summary for 2015 and 2016. So if I click my B4 cell and go to my sales 2015, go to my total, press Ctrl C for copy, come back to my sales summary, click B4 and press Ctrl V for pasting. But oh dear, it has given us a reference error. Now the reason behind this reference error is because of the formula bar. Coming back to sales 2015 and have a look at my formula bar. What the formula says is add up 4 values to the left of me. Coming back to my sales summary, we can see that there are no 4 values to the left of B4. So this is why it has given us a reference error. So let me just remove this and let me tell you the mechanics of what is the best way to do this. What is the best way to work across the sheets? If I click my E1 cell and type in a value, for example, I type in 200 and I want this value to appear in B4 cell, what I can do is type my equals, go to my E1 cell, click the cell and press my enter. So here's my value. Not only that, if I change the value in E1 cell, if I make it 2000 for example and press my enter, the value will update as well. How cool is that? Now the mechanics are identical. This is the exact same thing that we will do across the sheets. So let me just remove these 2 cells. I click on my B4 cell, I press my equals, I go to my sales 2015 tab, I click my totals and be very careful. When working across the sheets, when you finish your calculation, do not hit back to any of the tabs or to any of the cells. The moment you finish your calculation, simply press enter. I'm pressing my enter and it has taken me back to my sales summary 15 and 16 tab. Now one more calculation. If I go to my C4 and type my equals, go to my sales 2016 tab, go to my totals, click the value, and again do not go back to any of the cell. When you finish, simply hit the enter. I'm pressing my enter and it has taken me back to my sales summary sheet. Now cool. Now I want my total sales figure in D4. What I'll do is click my D4, go to my auto sum, click the auto sum and simply press the enter. 2 steps involved. Click the cell, go to auto sum, click the auto sum and click enter. Nothing else. Simple. Now if I talk about the cell E4, which is commission, here is a little tweak in calculating the commission because we need to add up the commission from sales 2015 and sales 2016. So we will be throwing a little calculation into the mix this time. What I'll do is click my E4, press my equals, go to my sales 2015 tab, press my commission, and again I will not go back to any of the sheets, but instead I'll go to my formula bar and press my plus here because I need to plus the two calculations together. So I have pressed my plus. I'll go to my sales 2016 sheet now. I'll click my commission and I'm finished now here, so I'll press my enter. And here is my value. Now I'll use my fill handle to copy all these values down. I'll select all four values. I'll use my fill handle. I'll go down till Yumna Zedi, and these are my calculations, and this is my sales summary sheet complete. Now what I can do with the totals, I can select all four cells, go to my auto sum, click my auto sum, and here are my totals. So in just a few clicks, we have created a sales summary beautifully. Now I'll be creating more videos like these for you to help you out to learn and your office skills overall. Have a good one. Till my next one.